Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to make English small talk feel easy, natural, and stress-free.
I hope so. Small talk still makes me nervous.
Don't stress. You showed up today and that already gives you bonus points. By the end of this lesson, you'll be making small talk without breaking a sweat.
That sounds exciting. I want to improve.
And you will. First, let's warm up. Imagine we just met in a classroom. How would you greet me?
I'd say, hello.
Perfect start. Now add something friendly, like, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Great. And I'd respond, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too.
That's a natural beginning. Now let's expand it into real conversation. Tell me what you did today.
I went to work today.
Good. Add a detail to make it more interesting.
I went to work today and finished a big project.
Nice. You sound confident already. Now ask me something back.
What did you do today?
I'd say I taught a class and then had some coffee.
That sounds like a nice day.
It was. See how easy this is? Small talk is just exchanging little pieces of information.
When you explain it like that, it feels less scary.
Exactly. Now, let's do a classic small talk topic. Weather. Ready?
Yes, let's try it.
It's pretty warm today, isn't it?
Yes, it's warm. I like warm weather.
Great. Add a detail.
Warm weather makes me feel relaxed.
Beautiful. And now ask me a question.
Do you like warm weather?
Yes, I do. It gives me more energy.
This actually feels like a real conversation.
That's because it is. And you're doing great. Now, let's practice starting conversations with strangers in a simple, friendly way.
Okay, that's usually very hard for me.
Totally normal. Let's make it easy. Try this opener. Hi, how's your day going?
Hi, how's your day going?
Wonderful. And I'll say, it's going pretty good, thanks for asking.
And then I ask something,
Yes? Try asking, and yours?
and yours.
Mine's going great. I just finished lunch.
Oh, then I say something like, nice, what did you eat?
Exactly. Very natural. I'd answer, I had a chicken sandwich and a coffee.
Sandwiches are good.
See? Now you're making conversation. No stress, no pressure. Just simple lines.
I feel more confident already.
You're doing amazing. Now, let's practice small talk when you meet someone for the first time.
Okay, I want to try this.
Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too.
Wonderful. Now ask me something simple. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, really?
Great reaction. Let's continue. You might ask, how do you like living there?
How do you like living there?
I love it. The people are friendly.
That does sound nice.
And just like that, you're having a real conversation. Let's keep going with another topic, hobbies.
Hobbies are easy. I like hobbies.
Good. So tell me, what do you like to do?
I like watching movies.
Add more detail.
I like watching adventure movies.
Perfect. Now ask me.
What about you?
I enjoy cooking and reading.
Cooking sounds fun.
It is. Now, let's practice deeper small talk. I'll ask, what kind of movies do you like the most?
I like funny movies the most
Nice. Add a reason.
because they help me relax.
You're becoming really natural with this.
Thank you. I think the practice helps.
Absolutely. Now, let's practice small talk when you meet someone in a cafe.
I love cafes. Let's go.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, it's not. You can sit here.
Thanks. The place is pretty busy today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Maybe because the coffee is really good.
Great line. And now ask something like, do you come here often?
Do you come here often?
Yeah, I come a few times a week.
That's nice.
See? Easy, friendly, simple. Now let's practice reacting politely when you don't understand someone.
Yes, sometimes I panic.
No more panic after today. Try these phrases. Sorry, could you say that again? And could you speak a little slower?
Sorry, could you say that again?
Perfect.
Could you speak a little slower?
Excellent. These phrases help you stay calm in real conversations.
I needed those.
Now, another topic talking about the weekend.
Okay.
Do you have any weekend plans?
Yes, I'm going to visit my family.
Add a detail.
We will have dinner together.
Nice. Ask me now.
Do you have any weekend plans?
Yes, I'm going to the beach.
Wow, nice.
Perfect reaction. You're using small talk naturally.
That makes me feel proud.
And you should be. Now, before we move to part two, let's do a long, flowing practice conversation. Are you ready?
I think I'm ready.
Hi there. How's your day going?
Good, thanks. Just relaxing. How about you?
I'm doing great. The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, it's really nice and sunny. I love sunny days.
Me too. Do you like warm or cold weather more?
I like warm weather more. It makes me happy.
See how smooth that is? You're doing fantastic.
Thank you. This is fun.
And you just finished part one like a champion.
Yay! I'm ready for part two.
Welcome to part two. Ready for more small talk practice?
Yes, let's keep going.
Great. Let's start with small talk about school or work, since we talk about that a lot in real life.
Okay, that sounds useful.
How's work going for you lately?
It's going well. I'm a little busy, but it's okay.
Awesome answer. Add a detail.
I'm working on a new project.
Nice. Now ask me back.
How is your work going?
It's been great. I've been teaching a lot this week.
Teaching sounds fun.
It really is. Now let's practice small talk about daily routines.
Sure.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Add a reason.
because I like to have time before work.
Great. Now ask me.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up around 6. I like early mornings.
Early mornings are peaceful.
Exactly. Now let's talk about travel.
Ooh, I like travel topics.
Have you traveled anywhere recently?
No, not recently. I've been busy,
Good. Add something hopeful.
but I want to travel soon.
Excellent. Ask me now.
Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Yes, I went to the mountains last month.
Oh, really?
Perfect reaction. You're getting so natural. Now let's practice small talk at a party.
Parties are scary, but okay, let's try.
Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Alex.
Hi, Alex. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How do you know the host?
We work together.
Great. Add something small.
We're in the same department.
Wonderful. Now ask me back.
How do you know the host?
We went to school together.
That's cool.
And you've just handled party small talk. See? Not scary.
You make everything feel easy.
And you make everything sound natural. Now let's practice talking about music.
I love music.
Great. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music
Add a detail.
because it makes me feel energized.
Nice. Ask me now.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy jazz. It helps me relax.
Jazz is nice.
It is. Now let's talk about goals, another great small talk topic.
Goals. Okay.
Do you have any goals you're working on?
Yes, I'm trying to learn English better.
Great. Add a reason.
Because I want to talk to more people.
And you already are. Now ask me.
Do you have any goals?
Yes, I want to learn another language.
That's exciting.
Now let's talk about food again, because food is the easiest small talk.
Yes, food makes me happy.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I ate toast and eggs.
Add an opinion.
It was delicious.
Perfect. Ask me.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I had oatmeal with fruit.
That sounds healthy.
It is. Now let's practice long-form natural conversation. Ready?
Yes, let's do it.
Hi, how's your day going so far?
It's going great, thanks. I finished my work early. How about you?
I'm doing great too. The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, it's really nice. I love sunny days.
Me too. Do you have any plans after work?
Yes, I'm going to meet a friend. What about you?
I'm going to relax and read a book.
That sounds peaceful.
You handled that like a fluent speaker.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
And you should. You've improved so much. Now let's finish with ending a conversation politely.
Okay.
Try this. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you.
Then add, have a great day.
Have a great day.
Perfect. And now we finished the whole lesson.
I did it! 2 full parts! And if you watching enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe for more English practice.
Yes, leave a comment and share this video with a friend who wants to learn English.
Thanks for practicing with us today.
See you in the next lesson.